Well, thank you for coming today. Well, my name is Yugo Nagata, and I'm a PostgreSQL contributor and the author of PGIVM. Today, I'm going to talk about PGIVM. It is a Postgres extension for fast materialized view maintenance, and I will also share our recent improvements, especially outer join support. Yes. So this is the outline of this talk today. First, I'll discuss materialized views and their refresh cost. And then I introduce the concept of incremental view maintenance. And after that, I explain about PGIVM, what IVM is and how it works. Next, I will look at some performance characteristics and trade-off. And I will also share recent improvements about outer join support. And finally, I'll share our project status and future direction. So let's start with materialized view. Well, standard views run view queries every time when it is accessed. However, the materialized views stores its data on disk physically, so this enables fast response to query because the complex join or aggregation result is pre-computed, already computed. So, but once a table is modified, the data in materialized views becomes inconsistent because it remains the same. So we need refreshing the view after every time whenever a table is modified. Standard PostgreSQL used refresh materialized view command. This recomputes the entire view from scratch. So it is inefficient because even if only one row in a million rows are updated, we need to recompute everything for views. So the cost is very high. So this is a situation that incremental view maintenance comes in. Well, we call this IVM. By using IVM, it computes only the changed part. Using the view delta and view definition query, we can compute only the delta on view, and by applying this to the view, we can refresh the view very efficient, in efficient ways. This is the incremental view maintenance. So PGIVM is the extension that brings this feature to PostgreSQL. Well, this is open source software developed and maintained by the IBM development group, and this is developed on GitHub. Well, the first release is 2022, and the latest release is last October, and it has about 400 GitHub stats, and this is published under the PostgreSQL license. This is an overview of PGIVM features. It introduces a new type of view, IMMV. This is an incrementally maintained materialized view. You can create IMMV by calling create IMMV function. This function is conceptually same as create materialized view command. Well, IMMV is internally implemented as a regular table because PostgreSQL does not allow extensions to update materialized view, built-in materialized view directly. So we have to use PGIVM, have to use regular table. And the most important feature of PGIVM is that IMMV is automatically maintained. Whenever a base table is updated, modified, the view is automatically and incrementally updated. Well, maintenance triggers are attached to each base table, and it updates the view incrementally and automatically. And also, direct update to IMMV is not allowed, so IMV acts like a materialized views. Okay. And I show how it works. There are 3 steps. First step is extract. The changes on base table is extract using after triggers, and also we use transition tables. And using this table delta and view definition query with some rewrite, we can compute the delta on the view. And the incremental change on the view can be applied to materialize the view. We execute DML commands like insert or delete via SPI interface. So it enables the IMV keeps consistent, keeps refresh after the transaction committed. So let's look at some performance characteristics. Well, we use TPCH queries Q01 and Q09. Q01 is aggregation on the big table, and 09 including some joins. So here, main key matrix is refresh materialized view latency. With traditional materialized view, it takes about 11 seconds or 5 seconds. However, IMMV created by PGIVM does not require explicit refresh because IMV is updated automatically and incrementally, so it keeps up to date always. And next, let's see the total update time. Well, when a base table is updated, base table, one row in the base table is updated. It takes about 20 or 30 milliseconds in IMV. That includes automatically maintenance time. So it is about 10 times longer than traditional materialized views, but still it is much faster than the refresh time, even 11 seconds or 5 seconds. So there is a trade-off. So I'll discuss this trade-off in this slide. Well, first was the table update overhead. As you've seen, PGIVM needs some additional time to update the view because whenever every time a table is modified, we need to calculate the view delta and apply it to the view. The overhead we think is about 20 or 30 milliseconds, but the actual overhead is depending on query complexity or data in the view table. Next, second, exclusive locking. So for keep consistency, PGIVM acquired an exclusive lock on the view. So depending on the isolation level, the concurrent transaction waited or aborted. So it affects the performance in high concurrency system. So it is we need to consider this. So in summary, PGIVM is suitable for workload that freshness is important, then right responsiveness. So freshness is important, and data visibility has a high priority. PGIVM is an efficient option. So next, I'll introduce our our recent improvement, outer join support. It is supported in version 1.13, and this feature, developers this feature with supported funded from Mediapart. So when we try to maintain outer join view, there is a challenging because outer join produce a dangling tuples. This is a road that are not extended when a matching row does not exist, like this. So in this situation, PGIVM have to determine whether should we remove our existing dangling row or insert new dangling tuple. So handling this is so much complex than inner join. So there are some current restrictions. So there are some requirements for target list column, or we support only simple equijoin, and we can't use this with aggregate or subquery, so complex workloads. So there are some restrictions, but we are working on relaxing these restrictions. And this is the current status. Well, already recent PostgreSQL 18 is supported, and we provide regular maintenance. So we release a few times per year, and as you see, our outer join is recently supported. And I'll share our future plans. I'm now exploring deferred maintenance, not immediate maintenance, to addressing the problem of table update performance. And we are working on also in better support for PG dump and PG upgrade. And we start to explore expanding support for partition table and logical replication. Okay, where this is a high requirement. Okay, and relaxing outer join restriction. So PJVM is extension automatic and incremental view maintenance, and where faster than full refresh, and outer join is supported, and this is the open source, so we welcome your feedback. Thank you.